Guys, how you doing? I'm Mr. Dion of Dion Academy. This video is a step-by-step guide on how to remove background from your images for free. You're not gonna pay. It is 100% automatic and free. You're not going to pay to remove background from your image, change background. Those of you who use Canva, the free plan of Canva, and then you are facing this challenge of removing background, changing background, and all of those things. What you just have to do is come over here to remove.bg, remove.bg, bg for background. So when you come, you type remove.bg, you can see it up here, remove.bg. Then you have this interface. What you need to do now is to click on upload. You don't need to have an account, but if you so wish, just click on this /2/ there, and then you will see this option to sign up. So you have this sign up option if you want to sign up. Okay, but if you don't need to sign up or you want to log in, you have an account already, you can go ahead to do that. So what do you do now? Just click on upload. Click on upload. It will take you to your phone gallery. Then what you just need to do is to select a picture you want to remove background from. So let's select this. We have this here. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on done up here. So let's have the magic done. So you see the magic. This is amazing. So what do? You want to add background to it. What you do is click on add background here. You have add background, so click on add background. So just wait a bit. So we have different background we can add to this. You can add this background, you can add any background you wish to. So this is super amazing, guys. This is super amazing. So those of you who are having the challenge, I'm using Canva free, I can't remove background, I can't change background, this remove.bg have solved that problem. So now click on colors. Let's say you want to add a solid color. You don't need this background, you just want a solid color. Then you can also click on blur to blur it. Yeah, you can just click on blur and turn on background blur. Then you can go ahead to blur if you want to blur. So, but let's maybe this way. So that is the easy way you can actually remove and swap background without having a Canva Pro, and it's totally free and automatic. Yeah, in my next video I'm going to show you how to restore and erase. Let's say it did more than expected or less than expected, maybe it did not detect some background, or it removed part of the human body with the background. Then how to restore that part, and also how to erase, assuming there is a part that it did not remove very well, or how to erase such. So I'll show you more that you can do with this in the next video tutorial. One more thing, what you just need to do once you are done removing the background, assuming you don't want to add any background to this, you just want to use it to design flyer or anything on your Canva or Pixel Lab or anything, we just need to download this. That's the next thing. So what you do, you use Canva, just click on this Canva down here and get everything done. So what you do is click on download here. Don't click on download HD. That's for those who have. If you click on download HD, it will demand you have an account, and you see it here, you need it to have an account. So but if you don't want that, just click on download only. So forget about the HD download, and when you click on download, you'll have it done automatically. So let me show you what I mean. So let's repeat just in few. Okay, this is our work. Just click on download and you have it download and saved to your phone gallery. The next thing you just need to do is to open this and see what you have. This is it. Perfect. So you can now take it to anywhere you want to design with it. Okay, so see you in the next video tutorial. Bye.